What's up YouTube, it's the Internet Income Ninja back with another amazing video on how you can earn money online. That was a mouthful, wasn't it? Guys, thanks so much for stopping by the channel, and I invite you to subscribe to this channel, smash that notification bell, like, comment and share. If you are looking to get information on something, just ask me about it in the comment section. Like the video, share it with your friends, family. If you see a particular skill that's needed to earn money online and you know of someone who has that skill, share the video with them. Help them to learn how they can use their hard-earned skills to acquire money for themselves and their families. Alright, I am going to do my best to keep this video short because this is an exciting way to earn money online. It has to do with investing. However, it's not this big pie in the sky, I need $100,000 type of investment. It's the type of investment that any person can start with. When I say any person, I mean any person. Once you have a phone or a laptop that you can download this app to, you can be making money online. I kid you not. But before we go any further, I invite you to check the links in the description below, because if you are someone who is more business minded, when I say business minded, I mean you want to own a business, then the links in the description are for you, because they teach you how you can build a business from scratch with just a couple hours a day, and you could be on your way to earning $1,000 per day. No joke. There are books, free books, you just pay for the shipping, links in the description below, that you can use to build your business, to sculpt your business, to rechannel the direction of your business. There are links that show you how you could get leads for your business, because even though your business is online, you still need customers. This training is for free and it teaches you how to get leads, how to increase your clientele while making money online. Okay, so back to this video. The app is called Acorns. And like an acorn, which is a seed, you plant it, you watch it grow into a mighty oak tree. Oak is one of the hardest woods that people know of, and that's the reason they call it acorns, is because you plant your seed and you can watch your investment grow. So how does Acorns work? All you need to do is invest your spare change automatically. Okay, you set aside money from each paycheck and you earn more and get money tips on the go. Right? You can access smart portfolios designed by experts that adjust automatically as you and your money grow. It's trusted because it's backed by leading investors and innovators from BlackRock to CNBC, and chosen by more than 8 million people worldwide. So, I mentioned you invest your spare change. Okay? Let's talk about how we get started. So in under 5 minutes, you can get investment accounts for you and your family, plus retirement, checking, ways to earn more money and grow your knowledge. So there are 3 tiers that you can choose from. Each tier, or the lowest tier, costs $1 per month. That's right, $1 per month. The next tier costs $3 per month, and the highest tier costs $5 per month. Okay, so like I said, anybody can invest as long as you have a smartphone or a computer, and it's just $1 to get started. Now it mentioned here that you invest your spare change. Here's how that works. Alright, what you ultimately do is, when you shop, right, when you shop, if you say you spent, or let's say something costs $9.50. Alright, let me just find the information real quick. Let's say something costs $9.50. What Acorns does is it rounds up the value billed to say $10. Okay, you with me? So if something costs $9.50, right, Here we go. So the app automatically rounds up your spare change from credit card purchases. So if you spent $9.50 at lunch, Acorns rounds it up to $10. Okay, so you're paying $9.50 for the product, but Acorns just bills you $10, and then it automatically takes the 50 cents and invests it into the portfolio that you picked. Easy, right? So if I went to McDonald's and a meal cost me $9.45, it would round it up to $10, and it would take the other 55 cents and it would invest it automatically into my portfolio. Easy, right? So it's a great opportunity for those who want to start investing, who've never been exposed to investing but they want to get their feet wet, whether it's children, once you give them permission, or just someone who wants to get a hang of or a feel of how investment works. So Acorns allows you to, with low risk and with minimum amount, invest in a lot of companies that are popular and even doing really well. So some of these companies would include, but are not limited to, Apple, BarkBox, Blue Apron, Chevron, Chewy, Ernest, Expedia, Groupon, Hotels.com, Kohl's, Liberty Mutual Insurance, LifeLock, Macy's, Nike, Nordstrom, Old Navy, Overstock, Sam's Club, Sephora. I'm not familiar with this one, but it's called Staples. Of course, I know Staples. It's the best store for books and pencils and stuff like that. Stationery, right? Stitch Fix, Walgreens, Walmart, Warby Parker, and so many more. Okay? So you can be earning money shopping through companies like these and roughly 300 other companies. So again, what you do is when you shop, once you get the app and you sign up, it literally takes about 5 minutes to get signed up. You get signed up, you just hit sign up now. It will show you some videos that explain how it works and so forth. And once you're shopping, the app rounds up your figures, invest the difference, and you can sit there and watch your money grow just from living your day-to-day life. As it suggested earlier, you will be getting instruction and information on how you can make your investments more profitable. Here we actually see some more. There's the Home Depot. But yeah, it gives you tutorials on what's happening, how to invest, what to look for when investing, how to invest safely and wisely. It gives you all of that information as updates on your app. So you're not in the dark. It's not just a sign up thing where you're just spending away all your money and it's just doing it by itself. You can actually have a hands-on, user-friendly learning experience as you're investing and watching your money grow. Okay? You can also earn money by inviting a friend. So when you invite a friend through your Acorns profile, every friend you invite, you and your friend gets $5 invested in the portfolios that you picked. Okay? So if I, the Internet Income Ninja, meets you, Rajiv, I just picked a random name, and you decided to join the Acorns app, I get $5 to invest, you get $5 to invest. And the more you invest, the more people you are able to invite and get them signed up, for each person, you and that person will get an additional $5 to invest. Sounds great, right? So all you have to do is download the Chrome extension if you're on your laptop or desktop or MacBook or whatever, or download the app to your phone, Android and iOS. Okay? It's literally that simple. You are investing cents and earning so much more. You are even gaining valuable investment and life experience. You are learning how to spend wisely. You are learning how to invest in yourself, and it is low risk because you are investing minimal amounts. Now you can actually set aside funding from your paycheck. Okay, you can link your PayPal account and your bank account, and every month you get paid. You can actually allow Acorns to take a specified portion of your pay from your paycheck deposited in your bank account and invest that into your portfolio. So it doesn't have to be when you spend only. It could also be based on how much you earn. So when you earn a certain amount and you get paid, which is why it says investment, retirement, checking, and more, you can actually specify how much you want to. You can specify how much money you want invested from your pay, and you could actually have that being invested and working for you. Sounds great, right? So you could be investing on autopilot. Okay, now here's an example. This person bought something, it rounded up 34 cents. That 34 cents was deposited to their total investment account, and the value of their account so far, based on profit, has yielded them an account balance of $3,032.98. It's that simple. You have a 30 days bill free trial period. You can cancel anytime. Anytime. You can cancel anytime you want to, and it is that safe. And like I said, your money can be deposited into your PayPal account or your banking account. So again, this has been highlighted by CNBC and a host of other internationally known brands. Okay, so if you're in the US or Canada, the information didn't say that they supported other countries. I saw one review that said they were in Australia and they were using Acorns well and they were getting their investments going. But Acorns itself specified that they're in the US and Canada. If you are in these areas, for sure, check out this app. You can be on your way to making money online, easy peasy, autopilot. You just spend as you normally do. Acorns rounds your figures up to the nearest whole number, and the difference they'll invest, and you could be investing without even realizing that you are. And from time to time you can check your portfolio. They will be sending you notifications on what's happening in the market, in the industry. They will be sending you information on how to invest wisely, and you can view your oak tree growing from your Acorns investment. It it doesn't get simpler than this. So again, if you're an older teen, college student, and so forth, and you shop online and you do your thing, or you're working, doesn't matter how little you earn. If you are working, you can set yourself up to be investing very simply, very minimally, and one day getting your financial freedom online. Okay, so guys, check the app out. Let me know if you already use the app. Let me know in the comment section. Earn more money. Share this video with a friend. Maybe they've never heard of Acorn before. But be sure to subscribe. Smash that notification bell, like that one over there. Like, comment, and share. I'll probably have to do a part 2 to this video, so look out for that. But in the meantime, thanks for watching. This is the Internet Income Ninja. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay safe.